Hey guys, it's your girl Kalia, and today I have a review for the Bring the Salon Home Professional Dipping System from the brand Kiss in the style number 72050 KSD01. This is an at-home dip system for acrylic nails. And now I'm just gonna open it for you guys to show you how it looks and everything that it brings in the package. The first thing I'm gonna show you is the actual acrylic. Now I'm gonna show you the gel, the glue, and the activator. This is a sponge that you can use to wipe off the acrylic in between dips or when you're about to move on to the activator. This is where you're gonna pour the acrylic powder. A nail file. I'm gonna be using just the nail file in order to shape my nails for this review. And these are the tips. They have both white and regular looking tips. And they also give you two applicators on the side in case the applicators you have get messy. Also, they have a stick for your cuticles and some instructions. By the way, I purchased this for $12 at Target. I'm just gonna be pushing back my cuticle with the stick that came in the package. So I decided that I wanted a white French tip. So now I'm just going to apply the gel glue on the nails. And as you can see here, there's a little fold on the nail where I applied the glue. I'm gonna make sure that the tip of my nail meets the tip of the fold, and that makes it so much easier to apply the nail. I'm gonna show you again. Apply it in the fold. And a little bit of glue goes a long way. Now just make sure the tip of your nail meets the tip of the fold in the nail. Now I'm just going to continue to repeat the process on every nail. As you can see, take your time with this, especially if you are new like I am. Just continue to apply the same amount on each tip. This is what they look like on, and now I'm just gonna go in with my nail clipper and cut them down to the size that I want them to be. Now I'm going to use the acrylic by pouring it into the little container that comes in the package. And I'm going to apply the nail glue one stripe down the middle and then one stripe lower on each side. I did it this way because I wanted the nail to have a bit of a curve to it so that it doesn't look as flat as it would if I just did each layer the same way. So as you could see now, I have a bit of a bump in the middle of the nail. And I'm just going to do that again. One in the middle, one on the side, and one on the other side. Of course, making sure each side has enough. And I'm going to dip it again upside down. And that's how it's starting to form. If you see, there's a good curve. It doesn't look like a really flat nail. Now I'm just going to apply it like I would normally all over the nail. Make sure everything is covered. I find by dipping the nail upside down, you get more coverage. So that's why I did it that way. And now I'm just using the sponge to remove the excess. And now I've done a few. I'm going to be doing the same process on every nail. So just make sure to continue to do the same process as I'm doing here. Now I'm going in with the activator. Be very generous with the activator when you apply it to the acrylic because that's what's going to help the acrylic to dry and harden so that you can go ahead and file and shape it the way that you want. Now I'm going in with the nail file to shape the nails. I definitely took at least an hour to shape these nails. So if you have other tools that can help you to move this process along faster, use them. And there was a part of the nail that was not dry yet, so I did have that little error happen, but I filed it down and fixed it. I also applied activator after I filed the nails just to make sure that the acrylic was dry because I did file some of that surface acrylic off. So in case some of the acrylic that was underneath what I filed wasn't dry, I made sure the activator helped it harden. Now I'm going to go in with my Sinful Colors Clear Coat in the number 1064. And I'm just going to apply that all over the nail, as you see. That really adds an extra shine to the nail. And it helps to hide anywhere that there might have been some filing that made the nail look dry. as you could see there where I had the error happen. Now I'm just going to continue to add the clear coat all over the nails. So I did wear these nails for about 2 weeks. They were sturdy, they did last, they did feel like salon nails. I would recommend this for somebody who is trying to learn how to do their nails at home. It was very easy to use, and though it was time consuming, I feel like the results were worth it. If you do have any nail drill or nail files that you can use to help you file and shape the nails faster, I do recommend using it. But if you don't, you can use the nail file that is in the package just fine. It just will be a bit time consuming. These are the results. I definitely want to continue practicing using this kit so that I can learn to do my own nails at home. So stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.